Ah, I caught it. I caught it on my own. Ha 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 ha. First time I caught it on my own. Alex, thank you. I beat it though. Alex texted me. I actually caught it on my own by like half a second. Anyway, thank you, Alex. Welcome back, everyone. All you missed. Fortunately, I didn't ramble on for like 15 minutes. All you missed was welcome back and the music, which you've heard a million times. All right. Welcome back. That being said, VEEE definitely top of the list. BBBY top of the list. Ooh, look at that high day break. Breaking through. Ooh, look at that. I mean, nice pivot point on Oracle right there. I want to grab that for reference to discuss later. BBBY. Save BBBY. Oh, one thing I had I saw a comment last night. Someone had mentioned that they watch pre-market prep, and the quote was, they have no idea what I'm talking about. Okay. Number one, hey, if you're new, that's fine. We'll get you there. Now, one thing I would suggest is remember what I do here. I mean, I try and pack answer as many questions, get to as many setups in 15 minutes. So Alex will drop the link to StocksToTrade Advisory. Okay. Remember StocksToTrade Advisory. I'm still live every day at 8:30. Now I mention that because you get the ebook. Okay. And I love to read. It's probably my number one hobby, really. Year-round hobby. Obviously you can't hunt year-round. You can fish year-round, but probably my number one year-round hobby is reading. I know a lot of people don't like that. The ebook's like 50 pages, okay? And the reason I bring that up is when I use jargon, acronyms, whiteboard drawings, I really, 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 in my heart of hearts, I honestly mean this, that book it should really be prerequisite. Before you come on here, if I could force you to read the book, because it's just better for you in the end. So anyway, check out StocksToTrade Advisory. Okay, BBBY, beautiful, VEEE. Please watch Friday afternoon's video. Remember, I'm going live Friday afternoons as well. Just an incredible read on VEE Friday. I mean, low float stock, earnings winner, breaking news, Oracle, float rotation, heavily shorted. I mean, again, that Friday afternoon video, and whether or not you traded VEE, maybe you had no idea what this ticker was until I said it 10 seconds ago. There's a lot to learn from Friday on this thing. Doesn't mean they're guaranteed, okay? As always, you have to have a stop, you have to have a plan. But when you look back at VEEE, I hate this ticker. Just too many E's. I think I say 4 E's every time I say it, even though there's 3. So much to learn on Friday. That being said, probably number 1. And let's see what Oracle. Oh, gee, Oracle likes 9. Cannot believe it. Well, 878. Okay, obviously the major resistance level is 878. You'll hear me often say this. I, as a human, okay, Oracle is an algorithm. I helped program. Well, I didn't help program it. I helped design it. I can do 10 print hello 20 go to 10, and then enter and the screen fills up with hello. That's the extent of my coding ability, but I helped design it. But we also know the human mind tends to, especially when you're talking about short panics, etc., tends to fixate on those whole dollar, half dollars. So in my opinion, what I'm saying is Oracle and I agree. I mean, we're apart by 22 cents on a $9 stock. Same thing. So, and I am doing a terrible job with my notes. 8:15.22. BBBY, well done. Oracle in pre. B. Dip and rip through 9. Love this one, probably number 1 for now. And let's get to some questions. Aldo asked about HLBZ insider buy. Nice to see. Dip and rip through 180. So, actually, I take that back. Sorry, I was distracted for a second. 2. I'd wait for 2. You got a lot of double toppy action here. So this thing couldn't break. I mean, it did break through 2 back on the 9th, which would have been last Tuesday. Broke 2 last Tuesday, but then immediately pulled back. So you got resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and kind of resistance this morning. So I like that it's listen, this thing's been running for days, for weeks. Definitely in play. I would wait for 2 on HLBZ for confirmation. TISI. Asset sale, not my favorite news. Of course, it's $280 million, right? Typically not a big fan. Where did I see the number? Typically not a big fan of asset sales as a catalyst, but that's a lot of cash. Check breaking news. Hey, little higher float, but good volume. So all patterns apply. So, whoops, what did I do? Whoops, encrypt the text. Whoa. PSTV. Oop. Former runner. A lot of spikes and fails, a lot of one and dones. Brain cancer, though. Monday morning, or wait. Well, the news was Friday. Not my fave. A lot of one and dones, plus why didn't it move on Friday? I mean, I'm looking at this right? That's a red flag to me. Unless I'm seeing this wrong, this isn't new news. 8/13. That's Friday, right? Oh, no. They released it on a weekend? So disappointing. You know, it's like... I'll save the rambling. Afternoon VWAP hold. Incompetence. I thought it was the 12th. They released brain cancer news on a weekend. How incompetent is that? So, afternoon VWAP holds. So, okay, I got to run a little early, guys. So, I would say right now... BEEE number 1 through 9 and Bed Bath & Beyond. So, all right, I will check out StocksTrade Advisory, and I will see you guys tomorrow.